Okay. Okay. How young are you, Christine? I'm 25. Okay. Nako. 25.
Sabihin mo.
Wish.
Happy birthday.
Happy New Year.
Okay na naman, si Mazan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yung mga alam nyo, ano bang...
Ikaw muna.
Ano ba happy birthday sa...
Ice cream yan.
Ayan.
Ang tawag dito?
Ayan.
Happy birthday.
Ice cream.
Oh, wish naman ng husband.
Wala naman.
Husband muna bago yung mga
Husband.
Oy, boyfriend.
Husband daw.
Ano na wish mo?
Kuya, ang dawis mo.
Your wish is my command. Di ba? The secret.
My wish,
Ayan, yun na naman.
stay sweet as you are, and let's just enjoy this, you know.
Enjoy the beat of your wife. Ano pa? Wala na?
Pa?
Okay. Stay healthy, di ba?
Yeah.
Healthy. I hope you're happy.
And baby.
And,
Baby.
baby ba?
Baby soon.
Baby soon. Wow. Okay, okay. Oh, ito naman. Share, wish naman. What should
Gusto ko
we...
magninang na rin ako.
She wants to be,
I want to be this mother already.
godmother soon.
Yeah. So
I-
I could give her
Maybe after
like this.
after a year or 2 years.
No.
Hey, Bab.
Okay.
Tita,
Oh, bakit pag dito pagod ng isang bisita dito? Oh, wish na mami sa my birthday.
hindi na lang pala. More blessings.
Oh, more blessings to come. Okay, ano pa?
More money.
More
Para
money.
sa utang ko.
More money para sa utang. Tagalog.
Oy, Mike.
Oh, Mike, kaya na. Oh, si Maan. Ala, kain na si Maan. Oh, wish mo.
Parang may
Ha?
Wish ko lang.
Wish mo lang. Okay. Ay, ano ba yan? Okay. Saya namin.
Kaya namin kahit po konti.
Oo.
Parang madami. Dami na.
Oh, ikaw, tita. What's your wish?
Sabi ko, good health always. Tapos, success in any endeavor. Correct pronunciation. Christine, correct mo nga ako. Ano ba? Basta. The best in everything. Okay? Ay, bye.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
What can you say?
I'm old now.
You're right.
Then you think they're not? Half the time I'm some stereotype that they're making fun of. The other half of the time I'm just invisible. You know what? Maybe that's the point. The first
Sarap! Nasobat!